NASA's New Horizons science team has revealed new images of distant Pluto, revealing methane gas and topography complete with mountains and water in great abundance. The US spacecraft passed by the ice and rock planetoid and its entourage of 5 moons in the distant reaches of the solar system on Tuesday, capping a 5 billion kilometre journey that began 9.5 years ago. The event culminated an initiative to survey the solar system that the space agency embarked on more than 50 years ago.
Yesterday, America's space program took another historic leap for humankind. Today, the New Horizons team is bringing what was previously a blurred point of light into focus.
New Horizons spent more than 8 hours after its closest approach looking back at Pluto for a series of experiments to study the planet's atmosphere and photograph its night side using light reflected off its primary moon, Charon.
As John said, the steep topography means that the bedrock that makes those mountains must be made of H2O, of water ice. So even before the composition team tells us that they found places where the nitrogen veneer has been eroded or scraped off, and we see water ice on Pluto for the first time, we can be very sure that the water is there in great abundance. And actually models predicted that, but it's nice to see it driven home.
Pluto circles the Sun every 248 years in a highly tilted orbit that creates radical changes from season to season. Pluto travels closer to the Sun than the orbit of Neptune before it cycles back into the solar system's deep freeze, more than 40 times farther away than Earth.